ever sprayed anybody that opened their window too soon?
No, because everybody pulls in with their windows open.
Just a basic kind.
Sure.
And if you see him at the window, he's just he's autistic and he likes car washes.
Oh yeah, no,
So he's
you
just
come in
taking
here.
pictures.
You come in here often. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you've told me about that.
Okay, thank you.
Hold on 1 second.
Oh, thank you.
No, there was a holiday you came in, and I think we were so slow, and you came in and you told us that. And it was like, you know what? That makes it worth opening. You know what I mean? Being open.
Oh, he loves it. You make him very happy.
Well, good. I'm glad you like it. I kind of like it too. It's pretty neat.
One of these days, I'm gonna have to buy him one.
There's a ton for sale everywhere. It's just
Everybody
a
tell
rough.
that to
Stop.
Because it's a rough business. That's
Oh, is
why.
that
It's a
what
rough
it is?
business. Yeah, our owner owns 10.
Oh, yeah.
That's why he profits. One and it's on its own is unless you have like prime time.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Thanks. Have a real good one. Happy New Year. Okay, so she knows who you are. She's a very nice lady, isn't she? So thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh, this one's cool. It's all so